Okay, we got a Tuda engine lathe. It's a gap bed. 27 inches in the gap. And we got 19s over the bed. And we got 80 inches between centers. Looks like you got a little Jacob's chuck there. We have a steady rest here. We got a travel dial there. We got a follow rest there. And you got a tool post. Okay, and there's some stops on here too, which is a nice feature on these. That'll kick the lathe out. Okay, there we go. Do some feeds for you. Alright. Okay, this does have a pump on it. A coolant pump. And it's got a work light. It's got 1800 RPMs on this thing. She's a screamer. And there's a 3-jaw and some change gears. There's some foot pads down there on in the bed of in the tray there. Okay, and this cabinet can come with it. And there's a faceplate. So you got 3-jaw, 4-jaw faceplate, steady and follow rest. And okay, what else are we going to show these folks? The brake works amazingly well. And we'll kick her up into high gear for you. Just to show you. It really hauls ass. It's kind of scary when you don't have anything in the chuck, so we'll stand back here. Okay, there you go. Alright, hit that brake and show them again. There you go. So, we got a nice Japanese iron lathe here. That through hole, folks, is 2 13/16. It'll take a 2 3/4 bar. Thank you.